Hi everyone, this is Arpita and I'm from Engineering College Ajmer, and today I'm going to present a major project report on Learn with AR augmented reality based application, and we have been supervised by Mr. Vishnu Prakash Sharma sir, and my project partners are Anurag Goyar, Anil Bhati and Jagdish Kumar. So, what exactly is AR? AR stands for augmented reality, and augmented reality is a technology that is used for overlaying information and virtual objects in the real world in the real time, and it creates a augmented reality or a virtual reality environment for the users. And it has a software development tool called Vuforia, which is already embedded in it, and it has a database in which we can put the target images, and we can directly access those images by using the Unity software app, and then these are already embedded in it. So first let me give you the problem definition and what is the purpose why we are developing this app. So the problem definition. In our daily life, we face many problems related to analyzing complex structures, shapes that are really difficult to imagine just with the help of an image. For example, a student who studies about chemical compounds and molecular ionic structures of a substance, it can be sometimes really difficult to imagine those complex structures in mind. So 3D model views can be very helpful in understanding and analyzing them from many angles. Most of the medical operation understanding depends on images like CT and MRI scans, human body parts, which are very complex to understand and operate. So, 3D views of these objects can be very helpful in gaining advanced insight into the anatomy of body parts. So, what is the purpose why we have developed this app? This is because augmented reality it provides a solution for such kind of problems. It is used for analyzing complex structures and objects which are developing. Uh, we are developing an Android application which can be helpful in understanding some molecular structures, human body parts, solar system, and other fun using 3D AR models that can be analyzed by the user. A 3D view of any object provides an insight view with very different angles. It is an interesting as well as useful way of understanding and learning so that user can develop interest in that particular field and clear all the doubts occurred in the mind. So let me show you how our app works. So first we click on our app, and here the page you can see is the user interface. So I have developed the user interface using the Unity software app and Vuforia tools which are available in the software already. So this structure rotating which you can see or maybe you can call it a object, it is a 3D sphere which is emitting particles, and we also have text in this user interface which is biology, chemistry, astrology and others, and the heading is learn with AR. And these sections of biology, chemistry and astrology have been developed by my partners, project partners, and will be explained by them one by one in the upcoming presentation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and I am here to give the demonstration of our final year project, which is based on augmented reality technology. And I will describe my contribution in this project, which is biology section of our application and how it could be used in real life scenario. So, as we all know, the augmented reality gives an illusion of virtual objects that are superimposed on the actual world. So, this illusion can be used by any teacher or instructor while explaining any sort of complex topic which requires some sort of visuals. So, like suppose in a biology class, or a lab, if a teacher shows a 3D model of human organs such as heart, brain, or it could be kidney or a whole human skeleton, etc. So it would be very impactful and easy to grasp for all the students with such visuals of 3D objects, and they will learn how these things work. Now I will show you how it works using our application. This is our application. You are seeing on the desktop. These are the 3D objects that are connected through the Vuforia software development kit. I will show you the image targets. These are the image targets here, and whenever the camera device detect these targets, and it will show the 3D model of the particular human organ. Let me run this application, and the camera will be open by now. For better camera footage and different angles, I am running it on my Android device. So now the camera of device has opened, and we have to show the image targets in order to get the 3D visuals of that particular organ. So let me show the image target of let's say kidney organ. So here is the kidney of human body, and it is labeled. We can see the labeling by simply tapping on the object. Here are the minor cyclics and medulla and all of these different parts of the kidney, and we can also rotate this object by simply tapping the button on the bottom of that application. Here we can see the object is rotating slowly, and we can see other 3D models of the organs, like let's say skeleton of human body. Here is the target image, and here you can see the skeleton, and we can see the labeling by simply touching on it. Here is the skull, vertebra, ribs, and all of the different parts are labeled correctly. And let's say we want to see the brain, 3D model of the brain. Here's the brain. Now you can see it is rotating, and the different parts of the brain are labeled correctly. There you go. Temporal lobe, parental lobe, occipital lobe, and frontal lobe. These are the different parts of human brain. This is the let's say this is the urinary system of human: right kidney, left kidney, bladder, uterus. So this could be very helpful in understanding the complex structure of human body organs and how they works.
Hello everyone, I was work on the chemistry part. Student has always been the focus and challenges of chemistry learning. It is a help to student for understanding about the chemistry reaction. In this, when two elements come to fixed distance, then new element compound will be created. In this point our device camera at molecule AR structure in your lecture notes, and an interactive 3D representation of that molecule will appear before your eyes, and also show the chemistry reaction for those elements. So we will create an Android application for chemistry reaction. I will show our application Learn with AR. First, I open with AR application. In this, many parts are available for different fields. I will show about the chemistry part. जैसे कि देख सकते हैं, दो एलिमेंट Na और Cl जब कैमरा को उनके उनके ऊपर पॉइंट करते हैं तब उनके 3D मॉडल्स रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं विथ आउटर क्लास इलेक्ट्रॉन। इन दोनों को एक फिक्स डिस्टेंस पे लाने से एक नया कंपाउंड क्रिएट होता है NaCl। विथ साउंड उनको एक फिक्स डिस्टेंस से दूर ले जाने के लिए वापस अलाउ। ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Hello sir, myself Anil Bhatti. In this AR application has four sections. Biology and chemistry sections have been presented by my team members. I will describe astrology section in this application. In education field, a student cannot better understand about the solar system and how planets look like and how to move planets in their orbits. So we mainly focus on the solar systems in the astrology sections. Firstly, we saw a short video which a 3D model of a solar system is generated by these AR applications. Simply, we scan a solar system image by VR camera and we get a 3D model space of a AR applications. In these applications, we have four sections. For the solar system 3D models, we click in the astrology sections. After clicking, VR camera is open and we get a 3D model of a solar systems. The 3D model solar system has a sound. To develop this model, basically we use three software services: Unity, Euphoria and Visual Studio. Unity used for develop a 3D models. It provide a facility of a texture and materials. It also supports a C# language. C# language is used for a script. We are use Visual Studio code editor to write a C# script. These C# scripts apply on the 3D model objects and we can move 3D models objects by using C# scripts. We provide all planets different texture and materials according to their identification in Unity software. We also provide live materials that show environment of our planets. For example, sun has a very high temperature, so we give fire live materials that show that identification of their environments. Another service we use Euphoria. Euphoria is a API key based services. Euphoria store the target image and provide some pictures on the image. According to these features, VR camera and application access 3D model respectively. If we have a low and minimum features on the image, so we have a difficult to access 3D models by VR camera and applications. So student can visualization easily and they can also understand the working of a solar systems by using a 3D models. In this AR applications, we have another sections. We can add any other models in the sections, so our AR projects can be extended by adding some other models.